Ano babo kabalin ko, musta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we feature businesses here in Pampanga. Lalong-lalo na ngayong quarantine, we are promoting these businesses at least for our community to know, and at the same time, matulungan din ang mga gaya ng mga ganitong businesses. So for this video, we would like to thank La Hornera by Balagtas Bakery. Guys, box pa lang nila, they look really premium. Nanggaling pa sila ng Arayat, Pampanga, just to give us food boxes, if I may say, no? So, let's get into the details. If you notice, guys, meron na akong yung mga products nila on display. But I would like you guys check out first how they look like on their packages. Mga boxes pa lang nila, they look really premium. So, for our first box, ito ang tinatawag nilang Pugon Baked Cheesebread. Wow! Favorite to ng daughter ko, which is si Isa, and for sure, she will love this one. And ito yun. So, ang next box natin, guys, they call it Ube Cheesebread. Ngayong quarantine period, nauso talaga yung mga para mga modified pandesal, mga modified cheesebread. You can get it from them as well. Alright, so next, let's proceed. Ito yung Ube Cheesedesal. Okay, and then lastly, oh man, I think this is gonna be my favorite. Almost lahat ng mga pie, favorite ko. Either egg pie, buko pie, pineapple pie, kahit anong pie. Medyo may special, may special space yan sa tiyan natin. Again guys, ang mga products po na nakikita ninyo today ay galing kay La Hornera by Balagtas Bakery, and they are located in Arayat, Pampanga. If you are interested to buy mga products nila, guys, make sure to check out their fan page. Yeah, let's taste them! And katerno niyan, guys, is mainit na kape. So of course, where will I go first? Doon sa favorite ko. So ito ang kanilang creamy egg. For a ganitong slice, medyo may weight siya. Heavy, it's heavy. Wow! So for me, the actual pie itself, it's not too sweet. And then yung crust niya, may mga pie kasi na as in, hindi ko na kinakain yung crust niya or yung pinaka-base niya because it's parang medyo tumitigas na, parang ganyan. But this one, it's not even dry, it's not even parang moist, parang ganyan. I think it's just tama lang. Coffee pa. Actually, inside it is more cheese. So, meron na siyang cheese sa outer layer niya. And then, meron pa siyang cheese sa loob. So, I think this is tikman natin. For a meanwhile, hindi ako nakapagsalita kasi hindi ako nagbibiro at hindi ako nagsisinungaling, guys. Yeah, this is premium bread that you can actually get. Tama na, boy. Hindi ako nagsisinungaling. Tingnan mo. This bread is a must try. Cheese bread. Yeah, let's taste it. Wow! Nung sabihan kayo yung Kapampangan, guys, atineng kalaban itang sikat na bake shop king San Fernando. Whoa! Guys, again, I won't bore you like watching me just eat this food. If you are craving for this kind of food like ube cheesesal, ube cheesebread, creamy egg pie, and yung kanilang cheesebread, hindi po kayo magsisisi. So you can check out their fan page or call the number we are flashing on your screens right now. They are also available sa Papa.PH. So make sure to contact them, guys. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, lalong-lalo na yung mga taga-Arayat. This is a homegrown business coming from Arayat, Pampanga. So make sure to check them out. And thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. We hope to see you on our next video. Bye!
Promise manyaman.